In today's video, we are going to cover how to invite a team member to Gusto. If you are already logged into Gusto, begin from the main dashboard and look to the left-hand menu. Click People to open the area where team member records are managed. Once the People page loads, move to the option labeled Add Person. Instead of selecting it directly, click the drop-down arrow next to it to open the full menu of available actions. From that drop-down, choose Add Multiple Team Members. This opens the table used for entering new people in bulk, including cases where you are only adding one person. In the Member Type column, open the drop-down for the row you want to use. Then select the type that matches the person you are adding. The available choices may include employee, contractor individual, contractor business, or unpaid team member. Make sure you choose the correct category before filling out the rest of the row, since the required fields can vary based on that selection. Next, enter the team member's legal first name and legal last name in the appropriate columns. If any other required fields appear at this stage, complete those as well. Stay within the same row as you move across the table, so all of the details stay attached to the correct person. After that, scroll across the table until you find the column labeled Invite to Self-Onboard. In that column, check the box for the team member you want to invite. This is the setting that tells Gusto to send a self-onboarding invitation rather than just saving the person as a record without that invite. Once the checkbox is selected, continue to the email address column and enter the team member's email address. Be sure the address is entered in the correct row, since this is where the invitation will be sent. Then enter the start date for that team member and fill in any other required fields that still need attention before submission. When all required information is complete, continue through the remaining setup screens or prompts that Gusto presents. Review the entered details as you move forward, then submit the team member information to send the self-onboarding invitation. At that point, Gusto processes the new entry and sends the invitation to the email address you provided. Thanks for watching. Your team member has now been added in Gusto and sent a self-onboarding invitation.